Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Symbol. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is a monthly swing high here, where price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. Now, we can also notice a monthly support level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support before reversing drastically. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. So here on the weekly, we can see more clearly how price reacted to these key monthly levels. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a level here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Support and resistance. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the more recent price action. And we can notice a key level here, where price came down and has acted as support before price broke through, and we notice this long wick here acting as resistance to this area. Now, we can also notice a swing low level of support here with multiple reactions. And we can also plot in this level here, where it acted as support and resistance. So, we also notice a key level right here, where price came up, hit, acting as support, and when price broke through, the level is acting as resistance. Now, looking at our chart, with all the data that we have, these are all the key levels plotted on the weekly and monthly time frames for Symbol. So, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.